Phrases of 120 words per minute. Write these phasograms once daily before commencing your practice. 5 seconds. Now start. About the, observing the, accept the, address the, affect the, after all, agree that there are agricultural production, agriculture department, agro industries, alcohol, all of us, all of you, all over the country, all over the state, all political parties, all their own, all these things, all these years, along with also make up, always been amendment among the, at the same time, at the same time, company limited for this purpose, and have not, and I am sure, and I hope, and sons limited, and that is the, and that is why there should not be, there has not been, we assure you, we will be pleased, anniversary, annual general meeting, another party, any other information, appropriation bill, as a matter of fact, as a matter of policy, as a result, as a whole, as early as possible, as far as possible, as far as the, as he is, as if the, as if we are not, as it is my, as it is the, asking you, as much as possible, as per the, as quickly as possible, as regards the, as soon as possible, assure you, as we have, as we know, as well as the, as you are aware, at all times, at an early date, at any time, at present, at some time, at that time, at the outset, at the same time, be able to create, be able to make, bear in mind, because he is, because he will be sure before the, before you, behind the, best attention, best efforts, best men, best of our, better than the, between the boss and company limited, brought forward business relations by all means, by all over the world, by means, by our company, by people, by some, by the government, by you, can be considered, can be made careful consideration, central government, central railway, center state, certain commodities, chief minister, secretaries of state governments, college education, congratulate the cooperative banks, crossing points, current year, dated the, day by day, deal with the, dear sir, deputy speaker, despite the, destroy the, determine the, difference of opinion, district collectors, do not see the, during the last few months, during the last few years, during this each and every earlier months, easy matter, economic development, economic policy, educational institutions, educational policy, education committee, education department, education minister, elementary education, enclosing herewith, encourage the essential commodities every month, fair price shops, father of the nation, felicitations, few months, few words, 50%, filling up the finance bill, finance minister, first annual conference, first instant, first of all, first things, 5 or 6, food production, food requirements for a long time, foreign exchange, for example, for instance, for some months, for some more time, for some other, for some weeks, for the cost, for the current year, for the first, for the goods, for the government, for their, for the last, for the loss, for the past, for the purpose of, for the year, for this purpose, for your kind letter, 4 or 5 years, free and fair, from other, from the government, from time to time, good enough, Gopal and Company Limited, government departments, Government of India, grants in aid, grassroots, great attention, great city, great demand, great improvement, great opportunity, Guhin and Company, Hari and Company, has been, has not been, has not yet been, has performed, has permitted, have been able to, have done, have not been, have to be. He is not in a position. He may be able to. He may not be. Here and there. Here with thee. He will not. He will see. He will take care of the house. He would be able to. High courts. Honorable Finance Minister. Honorable Member. Honorable Minister. Houses of Parliament. Hydroelectric. I agree with thee. I agree with those who I am aware. I am concerned. I am glad that the government. I am grateful. I am happy. I am happy to inform you. I am in receipt of your letter. I am personally. I am sorry that the. I am sure. I am surprised. I am therefore. I am told that the. I am very grateful. I am very happy. I am very proud. I am very sorry. I can assure you. I do hope that. I do not know. I do not think. I do not want. I do not wish. If any. If I am unable to. If I could. If I say. If it is not. If it is possible. If it is understood. If the government. If there is. If they are. If they want. If this is done. If this question. If we take into consideration. If you are able to. If you can. If you give us. If you will be able to. I have great pleasure. I have heard thee. I have no doubt. I have seen. I hope and trust. I hope it will. I hope that the government. I hope you will agree. I know that there will be. I know the. I leave the. I may mention. I may tell thee. In all these. In any other way. In any part. In any way. In a position. In connection with thee. In fact. Inform you in future. In great detail. In India. In my opinion. In order to clear thee. In other words. In our country. In our own days. In regard to this matter. In respect of. In some cases. In spite of the fact that there is such a way in the cases in the country in the course of the in the current year, in the first instance, in the last few years, in the market, in the matter, in the meantime, in the method, in the minds, in the present circumstances, in the same way, in these circumstances, in the years to come, in this city, in this connection, in this country, in this discussion, in this house, in this matter, in this regard, in this respect, in this subject, in this way, in those into consideration, into this question, in view of the in which the government, in your last letter, in your place, I request the government. I see the. I shall be glad. I shall not. Is not correct. Is not in the. Is not merely. Is not possible. I take this. It can be. It cannot be. It gives me great pleasure. I thank thee. It has also been. It has been the. It has not been possible. It has now. It has resulted. I think you will agree that. I think it has. I think it is not. I think that he is not. It is also possible. It is a matter of great satisfaction. It is due. It is expected. It is impossible. It is necessary. It is no doubt. It is not at all. It is not possible. It is only. It is possible. It is really. It is therefore. It may be. It may be said. It may not be. It must be. It seems to me. It should be. It was not. It will be agreed. It will be possible. It will not be meet. It will not be able to meet. It will not be possible. It will not be possible. It will serve. It would be. I want to know. I will deal with now. I would like to bring. I would like to draw your attention. I would like to express. I would like to inform. I would like to make. I would like to mention. I would like to say that. I would like to tell them. I would like to thank you. I would not like. I would now. I would request. I would submit. I would suggest. Justify the. Just received. Keshavan and company. Kind attention, kind enough, ladies and gentlemen, land owners, land records, land reforms, land revenue department, large extent, large number of, large part, large scale, last month, last week, last year, law ministry, legislative assembly, legislative council, letter from, let us let you know the liaison officers, liberal assistants, lifestyle like that, the little more longer than long term, look after the, forward look forward looking forward, loudspeakers, low prices, make arrangements, make them, manner in which, many months, many more things, many points, many ways, many years, may be able to, may please be members of parliament, men and women, merits and demerits, money lenders, mono block, more and more attention, more considered, more money, most important, move forward, Mr. Deputy Speaker sir, Mr. Speaker sir, much more than much obliged, multi-point, must be able to, must be made, my dear friends, need not think, next month